Good morning and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where it's travel day. Woo! Where are we going, Charlotte?
We're going to Las Vegas and California.
We are indeed. This is going to be Charlotte's first time going to those places, and also your first time back in America for over 2 years.
I know, it's been crazy. I can't wait to get back.
I'm really excited too. I've not been to Las Vegas for 7 years. It's only been a couple of years since I was last in California, but there's loads of new stuff to see. And also, what's really going to make it for me and make it really special, see Charlotte's first reactions to it all.
I'm super excited.
But yes, we're here at the Premier Inn at Heathrow Terminal 5. We're going to be flying out with British Airways this morning, and we're going to show you the process of flying out. We're going to be hiring a car, and then I'm going to be driving us up to Las Vegas, where we'll wrap up this travel vlog. But yeah, so it's going to be a really exciting process. Of course, there is still a lot to do in terms of travel restrictions at the moment. Of course, you need to make sure that you've got your proof of full vaccination to show for going to the USA. And along with that, we've had to do a negative test, haven't we, Charlotte?
Yes, so the testing requirements, there's 2 different tests you can do. You can do a lateral flow test, but it's got to be supervised on like a video call, or you can have a PCR test, but it has to be done 1 day before departure at time of recording.
Yeah, so obviously it changed. When I went to Orlando,
it was
within 3 days, or I think 72 hours.
Yeah.
With this one, it's not like within a 24-hour window.
1 day.
It's got to be done the day before. Of course, so we did that. We tested negative yesterday. We've now got that proof, and we are ready to go. Yes. So we're going to make our way to the airport. If you are staying actually at this Premier Inn, there is a bus, and it costs £1.55.
What a bargain.
Yeah, just a London bus, and it only takes about 5 minutes, and that takes you around the corner. If you want to get an Uber, you're looking about £25, because we looked at that last night. So yeah, you definitely worth just getting the bus round. But yeah, it's a nice hotel close to the airport. We're going to jump on the bus just outside. They're around every 15-20 minutes, I think.
There is times that you can get from reception as well.
There is indeed. So yeah, we're going to make our way around to T5, and come and join us as we fly with British Airways to California. We're going to be flying to LAX, hiring the car there, and then driving up to Vegas. That should take about 4 hours, but with LA traffic, I think we're going to be in for a bit of a longer ride than that. Let's go. Well, after quite a long time checking in at the British Airways desk, we made it through security and here to the gate, and here we are. How do you feel, Charlotte?
I'm so excited.
You got a nice WH Smith bag there as well. Got some goodies, but here we go, making our way down the bridge just here to get onto the plane. There it is. So yeah, looking forward to the flight. A nice, just under 12 hours to LAX. Plenty of time to have a chill. Now some of the goodies that are in Charlotte's bag. But yeah, it took a while to get checked in. I think they were lacking staff, to be honest, of course, with everything that's going on at the moment. But we are sorted, so we get on the flight and I'll give you a bit more information about everything that we needed. Can't wait to say bye to this rain though. Oh. Okay then, so we're here now on the aircraft. We've been up in the air for about an hour, haven't we, Charlotte?
Yeah, just over an hour.
Still a nice bit of food, haven't we?
I had a chicken pie.
Yeah, they're always coming along bringing drinks out as well, which is good. Now, of course, we mentioned when we were walking along the bridge there to get onto the plane, the check-in took a while. I think they were just lacking staff, to be honest, with the current situation.
Yeah, it was really busy.
In terms of when we got to the check-in desk, though, we was there maybe 3-4 minutes.
We wasn't there long.
Yeah, so of course they checked the vaccination status that you can also show on your phone using the NHS app. Along with that, we just had to show our negative test, of course, that was done from the day before. And then along with that, it was just a normal check-in process.
Yeah, so it wasn't too bad.
No, it was there maybe 3-4 minutes, nice and easy to sort out. Then made our way through security, and then of course here onto the aircraft. In terms of masks, we've got to be worn at all times unless you're eating or drinking. But yeah, like you can't just take them off for a little breather.
No.
You need to be, make sure you've got you're eating or drinking if you are removing your mask. But we've also been told the flight time 10 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah, so it was less than we thought.
Yeah, which is really good. We did take off about 45 minutes late. I think there is a few staffing issues at the moment worldwide. coincide with the pandemic that's going on, with people self-isolating, so that definitely affected it. However, so far so good really with the flight.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're putting a bit more footage along the way. We're in the middle of the plane, so yeah, I didn't manage to get any footage of the takeoff, or of course we won't get the landing either because we're inside of the middle. You've got 3 seats here, there's 3 on either side as well, so yeah, we're on the middle just here. But yeah, going to enjoy some of the in-flight entertainment. Of course, you've got all the movies on here that are included, and yeah, we'll see you a little bit later on when we're coming down into land, and we'll be going to yeah, clear immigration, and of course pick up the car hire as well. In terms of immigration, it's the usual. You need to get an ESTA. Of course, if you're a UK resident, you apply for that online, and that's valid for up to 2 years. So obviously I went to America 2 months ago. I can just use the same ESTA. Charlotte's got yours.
I had to get a new one.
Yeah, and of course we show that at the border.
Yeah.
And then we'll be off really, yeah, picking up the hire car, driving to Vegas, baby. Here we go, first time back in America in 2 years, so excited. But here we go, putting a bit more footage on the flight.
So here we are, we have landed and we're on our way to Las Vegas!
We are indeed. So yes, in terms of the flight, it was pretty good, wasn't it, Charlotte?
Yeah, the flight was really good.
Yeah, I think the service on there was fantastic as well. Bit of waves going on in the background. Yeah, service was really good.
The
on
cabin
the
crew was excellent.
Cabin crew were amazing. Yeah, always coming down with drinks, food, snacks.
Really good.
Which was really good, wasn't it? And then of course we landed at Los Angeles, and yeah, it took us about what, 30 minutes to get through passport control.
Yes.
Worth pointing out, we didn't need to show vaccination status.
It was all checked prior in the UK.
Yeah, it was all done at the check-in, wasn't it, Charlotte?
Yeah.
Which was really good. So it meant that, yeah, we, of course, once we'd actually got off the flight, it was just the usual
checking
passports. And through we went. So then we actually made our way outside the airport. I'd booked a rental car, so we headed outside, and it took about 10 minutes on the bus to the rental car destination, where we picked up this big car that we're in just here. It's a Toyota. I can't remember the model name, can you?
No, I can't.
Well, we'll give you a bit of a tour of it anyway. But yeah, here I am driving the car. So we're about 30 minutes into the drive so far. It's showing us less than 4 hours to Las Vegas,
which is really good.
Which is great. Yeah, so it's quite a simple route. Obviously, driving around LA, it can get pretty busy. But yeah, it's not been too bad at all tonight. It's a Saturday when we started this journey, so not too bad. If you are going to be driving in the United States, you do want to be getting yourself an international driving permit. They can be got from the post office. Along with that, just make sure you are a bit aware of the kind of highway code, if you like, for driving over here, in terms of you can turn right on a red light unless it states otherwise, which is good. So yeah, just got to bear in mind these things when you are driving abroad. But to be honest, we're all right. It's always a bit nerve-wracking getting into a car.
Really nervous.
Especially because we're on the other side. Charlotte's on that side, aren't you?
I am, yeah.
It's always a bit nerve-wracking. But yeah, Charlotte's showing a bit of the road just out there, so you can kind of get a bit of an idea at where we are traffic-wise. So yeah, we're on the road up to Las Vegas now. We're using Waze, which is a great app that I definitely recommend.
Brilliant.
So yeah, we're putting a bit more footage along the drive. We're not going to see a lot, it's night time, but we're going to be filming another travel vlog next week, because we're driving early morning back from Vegas down to Magic Mountain, so we'll see all the scenery in the daytime. And we're also filming content from this trip over on Adventure Shawn as well. So yeah, we're going to be filming the drive up to the Hoover Dam, around the Grand Canyon as well. So that'll be really nice for scenery. So not really much to see scenery wise tonight, other than just dark roads. But you know what? Run our way. My ears have just popped actually. We're gradually climbing up. Yeah, we're going to be making our way crossing the state line from California into Nevada. And yeah, checking into our hotel tonight. So we'll see you a little bit later on. Here we go then. So we've made it here into Las Vegas. And yeah, the drive's gone really well actually. What are your first impressions, Charlotte?
It's just so impressive. The lights are amazing.
Oh, the scale of this place, it really is amazing. You got the stadium off there to the left. Look at the lights there. Mandalay Bay, one of the hotels off to the right.
Gorgeous.
You can just see the peak of the Empire State Building over there.
Wow.
Not the real one, of course, the one at New York, New York. And yeah, the footage you've actually just seen, what Charlotte captured, was of Prim, which is the area that's about 40 minutes away outside of Las Vegas. Oh, look at the Luxor, there you go.
Oh,
Look at that, wow. Yeah, that was Prim area where the Desperado roller coaster is. However, that's SPNO unfortunately, so we're not going to be riding that. Hopefully it will reopen at some point. But yeah, here we go, In-N-Out Burger.
Oh, there's In-N-Out Burger.
Welcome to Las Vegas. Here we go then. So we're all parked up here at Paris, Las Vegas, where we're going to be staying. I tell you what, we are shattered tonight.
I'm so tired.
It has been a long travel day.
Been up like 24 hours.
Oh, it has been a long one, but we finally made it here. We go after the drive. To be honest, though, no traffic or anything, which was great. Here's the car, Toyota Outlander Sport SE. So yeah, here's the vehicle. Just thought I'd show you it, nicely parked up here. Nice big car. Show you it from around here at the front, just so you can get an idea on it. It's absolutely huge. Yeah, it's a really nice car. It was a good drive actually. A little look inside, of course, automatic. Just there, no gears or anything like that. We are over in the States, aren't we? But there we go, nice look at the vehicle. Of course, we're going to be using that to get around on the trip. Well, there we go then, all parked up, finally here in Las Vegas. First time back here in 7 years, Charlotte's first time.
I'm so excited.
So much to discover, so we're going to go and get checked into the hotel, and of course we're going to be covering everything from this very busy place, as you can hear in the background. There's so much going on in Vegas, it really does never sleep here. It's nearly midnight, and yeah, people are just going out for a good time. But we're going to be showing you our hotel room and showing you around the Paris, Las Vegas in tomorrow's vlog, so stay tuned for that. We'll be doing a room tour, showing you all around the hotel, because these hotels are huge here in Vegas.
Massive.
Charlotte's face driving in, she was like, obviously we just drove right down part of the strip, but we didn't film it. We're going to save it for the other vlogs coming up here on Theme Park Worldwide. Overall though, we go way back to the start of the day, that Premier Inn, and getting the bus, and then of course we've had the flight. It took a while to check in. There was definitely some staff shortages going on, but you know what, the flight was great, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was brilliant.
Yeah, really good. And yeah, we soon got through immigration here in the US, got the car picked up and drove here to Vegas, but we're absolutely shattered, so we're going to end this one for tonight. But thanks for joining us in the travel vlog. We'll see you tomorrow for a tour around our hotel, and Charlotte's back in America.
I know, I'm back.
First time in over 2 years, amazing. But literally, I am ready to jump into bed right now, so that is where I'm going to be, and we'll hit the strip tomorrow. But there we go, that leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you tomorrow.